Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2010, Tron Legacy held its world premiere at Disney's El Capitan Theater in Hollywood. The entire city block around the theater was transformed into a piece of the computerized grid from the film, complete with projections, neon, fog, lasers, and a full-size light cycle. Also a blue carpet. Siren programs in white and silver costumes greeted the film stars and invited guests. The sequel to 1982's Tron opened officially in theaters on December 17th. Did you see that movie? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty fun. Anyway, have a magical day.